The elephants went on a rampage and killed over 40 rhinos. The rhino responds by swiping back. The white rhino weighs more than 2 tons and has a 5-foot-long front horn. Its large neck hump is made entirely of muscle, and it uses it to lift its heavy head, giving it a powerful upward swing. Because of the rhino's body shape, it has a lower center of gravity and good balance, making it difficult for the elephant to roll her over. The rhino is faster and manages to flee. Rhinos will not immediately back down from a confrontation with an elephant, but as soon as they get an idea whether it will go their way or not, they will decide quickly to retreat.